Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in WordPress posts. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com. Then simply log into your WordPress account. As you can see over here, then go to my home. Here, you're going to see a quick links option on the right hand side over here. And below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see over here, this is the editor's page of WordPress, and now we are gonna search and look for the text we want to add emoji to. It is actually really simple. If I want to add the emoji over here, I'm just gonna use a Windows shortcut simply by clicking on the Windows button and the period sign or the full stop button over here. And here you can see a pop-up menu. Over here, there are many emojis. You can just scroll through and search from these emojis. As you can see over here, there are many emojis over here. If I want to add this one, I'm just simply going to click on this one. Then after this one, I can add as many emojis as I want in my WordPress post. As you can see over here, then simply I'm going to click on save option over here to save all of my changes, and these emojis will be added to my WordPress page. So that is how you add emojis in WordPress posts. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.